May mga tao na hindi nagustuhan that I was advocating for pursuing freediving certification pag palagi nang nagfa-fun dive. Let's talk about that. But before we talk about that, hi, my name is Pivides and I make content for my weekly freedive sessions. Kung gusto niyo siyang mapanood, pumunta lang kayo sa profile ko, nakapin na yan. Before we talk about that, i-contextualize lang muna natin si PBDesk. PBDesk is a content creator for freediving. Hindi lang halata dahil sa pangalan. To date, I have over 12,000 followers and I'm continuing to grow every single day. As a content creator, I like to believe that I am responsible for my followers and to the people who watch my videos who are not following me. Ito kasi yung scenario na iniisip ko with every single one of you. You may be unfamiliar with freediving, and because of the lack of knowledge regarding freediving, you are relying on my words to pursue your freediving activities. Based on that, it becomes imperative for me to advocate for safe freediving practices. To an extent, I do understand why there would be hate directed towards me. Because when I advocate for a certification, even as a suggestion, it would come off na I am elitist or that I am condescending. Because as we all know, freediving certifications tend to be very expensive. And this can be interpreted negatively by other people. But I know that the freediving community is open-minded and hopefully they will not misunderstand my words because my intention is to promote safe freediving practices. But this is not to say that even if you are not certified that you are not a safe freediver. It's just that when you have a certification, you will be able to face these issues head-on because this was part of your training. Hopefully, by making my intentions known, hindi ako mami-misunderstand to the point that my words will get twisted because what I'm advocating for is for the benefit of the entire freediving community. And if this message rub you the wrong way, I do apologize, but my intention is not to offend you or anyone. Hopefully you get my point because I have the lives of 12,000 people on my back and that's not even counting the people who watch me who are not followers of mine.